it's me, Jen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hey, what's up? So today I'm gonna be doing my makeup because I'm gonna be going to an interview for Abercrombie & Fitch. So I'm just gonna do my everyday makeup and yeah, I'm really good at this stuff. Oh my god. Anyways, we're gonna start off with primer. I'm gonna do this right. I'm using this stuff because I am poor. I'm using Hard Candy Glow Primer from Walmart. Did you hear that? ASMR! No, it like creates a golden look on my face. So it's not the kind of look I'm going for. Make your face look more shiny. Next, we're gonna do brows. I'm gonna be using Maybelline's Tattoo Studio in the shade 382 Black Brown. I've always wanted to be, but sometimes I don't think I should be. Then I'm gonna use my brow gel from Estee Lauder. Oh my god, you guys are gonna judge me. I do not have the correct brushes for all of these things because I'm about to use this crusty, it's not crusty. Now I'm gonna be using my Smashbox Concealer Studio Skin Flawless. So that's done, and that's the look. Now I'm going to be using my Fit Me Maybelline Foundation in the shade Natural Ivory 112. And then I'm going to apply it with my Walmart Beauty Blender. Ooh, that's too much. Next, I'm gonna be doing my eyeshadow using my Morphe palette that looks, I'm gonna use this color right here for my base color. I'm gonna use this end of the brush to cut my crease with this color. Like that, and I'm gonna blend it in. I'm gonna be using my NARS shade Orgasm. It's a loose powder, but I'm gonna use it on my lid. Hey, I did it! I'm gonna use this. Stole this from Destiny. I mean, I didn't mean to. It just ended up in my makeup bag. So I'm creating the wing. So while that's drying, I'm gonna just move on to my lips. So for my lips, I'm gonna be using my NARS in the shade Somebody to Love. I'm gonna use my actual black eyeliner. Okay, I do not do this every day. This turned into something like an experiment. Concealer under my eyes. Now I'm gonna do mascara, which I'm using Wet n Wild Max Volume because why not? I'm cheap. So I'm gonna do my lashes, and what I do is get the Kiss lashes from Walmart, and I cut them in half so I can get the cat eye look. And now I'm gonna do highlight. I use my Morphe palette for my highlight, and I use this for my cheek. Then setting spray, yay! Oh my god. I'm gonna do my hair, but obviously right now my camera's dying. It won't let me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and hit that bell notification to know when I post next, because I'm really cool, right? Oh my god, I'm rushing. Okay, that's the end of this video. I love you guys. Thank you so much. Bye! I need a new outro.